Well, Ferris, it's September 3rd, 2020, and I wonder, has silver been on your radar of underlyings to put into your portfolio? I hope so, because it's today's cherry bomb. Silver has a 4 out of 4 rank for liquidity, and it has an IV rank of 48, so relatively high. And we're going to be looking at a short put, but I'm going to build an alternative as well in case you're not looking for sort of undefined risk. You're more likely to define your risk, then stay tuned because we're going to be building out that trade. Hi everybody, Neil here with Option Theory, and I wanted to welcome you and thank you for joining us today on this video. If you're new here, the best thing you can do besides subscribing to the channel is head on down to that description and click the link to go over and sign up for Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb email blast. We build these out in a simulated trading portfolio in ThinkOrSwim so we can get all the learning without all the risk. So, with that said, let's move right on into building the trade. So we're inside of ThinkOrSwim. We're in the Analyze tab. We've hit Add Simulated Trade. And we're in the October 9th weeklies, which as of today, September 3rd, is 36 days to expiration. Now the reason why you want to subscribe, right? So you can get these trades on with the right time frame. All right, so we want to come to the put side. And we want to look at the 23 strike. Left click on the bid. It's a 2-cent wide bid-ask spread on that one. So that's what, why we have those 4 out of 4 rank for liquidity. So we're using one contract. Yours might be 10. Adjust as you see fit. And we're looking at a 63-cent credit on that one. So that would be our max profit. But let's understand our probabilities on this one. And another reason you want to sign up for the Cherry Bomb email blast is because you'll get the P50 sent to you as well. And those change overnight, right? Because what you see in the email is not what it says in Tastyworks right now. So it's come down a little bit. We're looking more at a 73% top or probability of profit and more like an 84% P50. Still high probability, right? That's, you get rewarded taking that risk, right? You could lose 2237 on this one, and that would be bad, right? Okay, but that's highly unlikely. So anyway, we're going to go over to this risk profile and see what we got here. Let's set these slices to break even. Do make sure that your date up here is set to the expiration. And you can see here, according to ThinkOrSwim, we're looking at a 71% probability of landing on this line or to the right of it, right? And only a 28%, let's call it 29% chance of ending on this line or to the left of it. So those are some pretty good probabilities. And this is totally a trade that you could do, and it will be a trade that I put on. But I want to offer you an alternative. Maybe what you would do, like I would do, is I would put the naked put on this account, the margin account, and then in the IRA account, that's where I'd build the alternative. So let's go ahead and actually, put my fake money where my mouth is. I want to go over here. I'm going to right click this. I'm going to confirm and send, and I'm going to review my max profit and my max loss, and I'm going to send this trade. All right. Then I'm going to head on over to the IRA account and build out the same thing, sort of. Instead of the 23, which is the 25 delta, I'm going to come down to the 24, which is the 35 delta. I'm going to left click the bid. Then I'm going to go a $2 wide short put vertical on this one. Hold down the control key, click the ask on the 22. We're getting pretty close to that 1/3 the width of the strikes mechanics that they like to use, that Tasty Trade likes to use in their approach. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to see the risk profile on this one. I'm going to set slices to break even. And here we're looking at rather than a 30% chance of it being bad, 37% chance, right? Instead of 70, we're at 62%, right? But the P50 on this one is still in the 70s. I think it's 75-ish% of us being able to walk away with essentially, the same credit. So it is definitely worth some trying to see which one works out, because that's what we're here doing. We're testing theories, right? Option theories. All right, so now let's go over here, hit confirm and send, review the fact that instead of now having a max loss of $22.37, right, $2,237, we only have a risk of $141. Can make, let's call it 60. All right, so I'm going to go over here and hit send. That's going to put that in my working orders. And so we've got that in our IRA, got this in our regular margin account. And if you've made it this far, I want to thank you so much. I hope I've earned your like. And if that's the case, would you hit that like button for me? And those that are new, consider subscribing and ringing that bell so you'll be notified when our trades come out. Thank you so much. And until tomorrow, our final cherry bomb trade of the week, I wish you a happy trading.